are you all? I hope that you all must be fit, fine and healthy and must be preparing well for your PD1 exams. So my dear students, as you all know, nowadays revision is going on and teachers are giving you the worksheet. So today also we will do the revision of our Unit 1 second chapter, that is Neha's Alarm Clock. So my dear little kids, you know this story, Neha's Alarm Clock, this story is not only about Neha. It's about all the children, those who used to go to the school and used to do the daily routine work. So it's about all the children who have already went to the school or those who used to go to the school or whomever who will go to the school. So it's about everyone and it's a very interesting story. I hope you will enjoy listening to summary of this story. So let's begin. My dear students, now let's enjoy this beautiful story. So once upon a time there was a girl Neha, and Neha, she was having one alarm clock. Do you know what is alarm clock? Alarm clock means, alarm clock is a clock. Whenever we used to set the time, we used to set the alarm. So at that particular time, it used to ring. It used to wake us all. Okay. So Neha was having one alarm clock, and what happened one day, Neha was taking a sweet nap. एक बहुत अच्छी सी नींद ले रही थी this Neha, and what happened immediately, suddenly what happened, something ring. Now this alarm clock started ringing exact at 6 o'clock. ठीक 6 बजे नेहा की अलार्म क्लॉक ने रिंग कर दिया, बज गई वो. So what happened now, by listening this alarm clock, Neha started making faces. This is, it happens with us also ना, whenever we don't want to wake up, हमें उठना नहीं होता है. So what we used to do, we used to make faces now. We used to make faces like this. Similarly, Neha, she also started making the faces and she covers her ears. उसने अपने कानों को बंद कर लिया because alarm clock voice was coming. उसने अपने कान भी पकड़ लिए and he just covered herself with the pillow. उसने अपने तकिए से, पिलो से अपने कानों को भी ढक लिया and struggles under the warm blanket. Struggles means होता है अंदर चले आना, move कर जाना. So again she goes inside her warm blanket, अपने blanket के अंदर चलेगी. But she knows that she has to get up. There is no chance. So my Neha, she has to wake up. उसको उठना पड़ा. When the alarm bell rings, so she has to got up now. So after this, Neha, she just muttered to herself that Neha ने अपने आप से बोला that alarm clock always rings at 6 o'clock and pulls me out of bed. Alarm clock रोज का रोज जो है 6 बजे बज जाता है and now it always used to pulls me out of bed. हम मुझे बेड से ऊपर उठा लेता है. Although I want to take a sweet nap, but alarm clock always it used to ring at exact time. काश now this Neha, she used to say, Neha कहती है कि how nice it would be if I would take a sweet nap for long hours. बहुत देर तक मैं सोती रहती तो कितना बढ़िया होता. So I wish the clock could forget his duty for few days. और वो ये विश करती है काश वॉच जो क्लॉक है वो कुछ टाइम ले अपनी ड्यूटी को करना भूल जाए. उसका ड्यूटी को करने से मतलब है कि काश अलार्म क्लॉक बजे ना. So similarly, as Neha said, same thing happened and you know that clock it fell down. वो नीचे जमीन में गिर जाती है and Neha started smiling. Neha मुस्कुराने लगती है. Oh, now what she said, वो क्या कहती है? Oh, the clock has been fallen. I am very much happy today. At least for tomorrow, it will not wake me up early in the morning. कम से कम मुझे कल जो है ये सुबह नहीं उठाएगी. alarm clock. She was very much happy. Now, narrator he said कि now Neha can sleep for long hours tomorrow because alarm clock it has been fallen down. So whatever wish this Neha she wanted, it was God has listened to her. God ने उसकी सुन ली और वो alarm clock नीचे गिर गई and Neha was feeling very much happy. My dear students, now as the alarm clock it has already fallen down. So what happened? The next day Neha she was sleeping. Neha so रही थी. So what happened? The window was open and the chirping birds. What they saw that Neha is still sleeping. Chirping birds जो बाहर birds थी उन्होंने देखा नेहा अभी तक सो रही. So what the chirping birds they does क्या करा उन्होंने? They came in out of that window. Then afterwards they started just roaming, flying all over the Neha. Neha के चारों तरफ सबके सब क्या उड़ने लगी सारी birds. And then Neha just listened the chirping birds voice उनकी आवाज सुनी and Neha wake up. Now Neha again she become very much fed up. Oh, now my alarm clock is not there. So these birds they started disturbing me. ये birds ने मुझे disturb कर दिया. Now what to do? काश ये birds भी ना आती और मैं आराम से I would have taken a long and sweet nap for long hours in the morning. काश मैं आराम से सो पाती. Neha said like this. So even this God listened to him and chirping birds they stopped coming in Neha's room. Neha के room में chirping birds ने भी आना बंद कर दिया. So whatever Neha was wishing, his wish was fulfilling. Okay, my dear students, now every wish of the Neha was fulfilling. So Neha was not having any alarm clock now. No chirping birds was there in her room. Now there was someone who don't want Neha to miss her bus. कोई और था जो नेहा को उसकी बस मिस नहीं करना चाहता था. Can you guess who it is? Yes, of course, the shining sun. So what happened? When Neha's window was open, so the shining sun rays, it came exactly at Neha's face. Neha के face में सीधे वो shining sun की रोशनी rays उसके face में लगती है. Now Neha wake up. Next morning Neha wake up because of that shining rays. उसकी सूरज की किरणों के कारण नेहा की नींद खुल जाती है. Now again Neha was very much upset कि my God, now today no alarm clock was there, no chirping birds was there. Now the sun he has awakened me. मुझे sun ने उठा दिया. So now again she just wished that काश ये सूरज की किरण नहीं आई होती. So I would have slept for many more hours. मैं खूब देर तक सोती. So then what happened? Even this wish of Neha, God has listened. And that day, next morning, what happened? No alarm clock was there. No chirping birds was there. Even the sun, it was behind the clouds. Sun भी क्या हुआ? It rises and it went behind the clouds. Clouds के पीछे चले गया. So there were no shining rays that morning. उस दिन सुबह कोई shining rays भी नहीं थी. So my dear students, now what happened? Neha was little late. So her mother came to wake her up. She said to Neha, Neha, please get up. It's already so late. You will miss the bus. So she just said, oh mama, please let me sleep. And now today if no one is there, now you have awakened me up. So Neha's mother, she just explained to her. Neha की mama उसे कहती है कि you will miss the train, so that's why you please wake up. Now Neha said, oh no, why mama, she has waked me up. Now there is no excuse, I will have to get up. So Neha just got up, she dressed up and she went to school. So next morning, do you know what happened, children? Although there was no alarm clock, no chirping birds, no sun was there, even her mama, she has not made her to wake up. उसकी मम्मा ने भी उसे नहीं उठाया. So next morning, do you know what happened? Next morning, Neha, she herself wake up. अपने आप उठ गई exact at 6 o'clock. Then she was very much surprised कि who has wake me up today? किसने मुझे आज सुबह उठाया? So she called her mother and asked, Mama, who has waken me up today? There I can't see anyone over here. So her mama said, Beta, it's you only. Your alarm clock only has waken you up. आपकी alarm clock. But she said, Mama, but my alarm clock, it has fallen down and it has broke. वो तो टूट गई है and it is not working. Then which alarm clock you are talking about? So she said that I am talking about your body alarm clock. So now she was again surprised. Body alarm clock? What is this body alarm clock? So her mother explains that there is one alarm clock in your body which tells you what to do and what to not do, at what time you have to do. And so she gave an example. वो उसको example देती है, बेटा now tell me that why do you eat lunch every day in the afternoon? So she asked question to this Neha. Neha से पूछती है आप lunch क्यों करते हो? So she said that of course we feel hungry, that's why we used to take lunch. So then afterwards then she asked, so बोलती है कि why you sleep exact at 9 o'clock at night? रात में 9 बजे क्यों सो जाते हो? तो नेहा used to say because I used to feel sleepy, that's why I used to sleep. क्योंकि sleepy feel करते हैं इसलिए मैं रात में सो जाती हूँ. So she tells that similarly like this, this is your body alarm clock only who used to tell you at what time what to do. When you used to feel hungry, so your body alarm clock used to tell that you are feeling hungry, you should eat food. Similarly, when you feel sleepy, your body alarm clock used to tell that you are feeling sleepy, so you used to sleep. So similarly, today also your alarm clock, she has waken you up. That you have to wake up early in the morning, you have to dress up, you have to just do daily routine work and breakfast and everything, whatever work, daily routine work you have to do. So your alarm clock used to tells you everything. So my dear students, similarly there is one alarm clock in everyone's body. So whatever we used to set up in our brain, then if we have already set up in our brain, that it is sure that we will be able to work accordingly. So please, it's my request that whatever you are fitting in your mind, you should do it very carefully, and please keep the good things in your mind. I hope you all must have enjoyed this story. So my dear students, now we will discuss few exercises. Choose the correct answer and few exercises related to this. I hope you will enjoy doing this exercise. My dear students, now let's enjoy this quiz. So here 4 questions are given to you in choose the correct answer form. Here three options will be given to you, and in each you have to tick the correct answer. Okay. So first one is, what time did Neha's clock ring every morning? So dear students, I know you all must have read the story very well. You must be knowing what is the correct answer, at what time Neha's clock ring every morning. Now here 3 options are given to you. First one is 4 o'clock, B one is 6 o'clock, and C one is 8 o'clock. So if you don't know the answer, then I am giving you one hint. You can see the time over here. Can you tell at what time Neha's clock used to ring? So see the time and take the correct answer. Now see question number 2. What did the bird says? Birds क्या कहती हैं? Sleep on, go and play or wake up? Do you know the answer? No? Okay, I am giving you one hint. You can see one picture over here. In this you can see Neha. Neha, she is fed up, and you can see all the birds, they are chirping around the Neha, and they made Neha, what they make up? You can see few words are also written there. So that is the hint. Just write the correct answer in front of it. Okay. Now see question number 3. What is inside you that makes you get up at same time every day? So this question is related to your chapter only. So in this chapter what has been told कि what is inside you that makes you get up every day? ऐसी क्या चीज़ है आपके अंदर जो आपको सुबह उठने के लिए हेल्प करती है? क्या हेल्प करती है? आर आइज, our body clock or our feet? Yes, of course it's our body clock. कौन सी है हमारी? Body clock. So I have given you the answer, but this is the hint. Okay. Now see the fourth question. Who came third to woke Neha up? थर्ड नंबर पे नेहा को उठाने के लिए कौन आया था? दी सन आया था, बर्ड्स आई थी, या नेहा की मदर आई थी? नेहा की मदर तो सबसे लास्ट में आई थी. सो थर्ड वन कौन आया था? लेट मी गिव यू वन हिंट. यू कैन सी दिस इज द थर्ड वन हु केम टू नेहा टू वेक हर अप. ओके, you can see the picture and can write the correct answer, right? Now question number 5 is put the letters in the right order. Here you can see jumbled letters are given. इसमें jumbled letters दिए गए हैं. जैसे for example one I have told you, पहला है NORMING, तो इसका सही वर्ड क्या बनेगा? मॉर्निंग. सिमिलरली MRALA, इससे क्या बनेगा? कैन यू टेल? अलार्म. ALARM, अलार्म. ओके. नाउ C1 इज WODWIN. इससे कुछ ध्यान आ रहा है आपको? क्या बनेगा? येस, इट विल बी विंडो. WINDOW. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज राइमिंग वर्ड्स. So in this what you have to do, you have to write one rhyming word for each. You know ना what are rhyming word? Rhyming word क्या होते हैं? जैसे एक एक एग्जाम्पल मैं सबका दे रही हूँ, बट यू विल नॉट राइट दैट. यू विल राइट राइमिंग वर्ड्स ऑफ योर ओन, अपने आप लिखेंगे दूसरे. ठीक है. जैसे सन का बन, वेक का क्या होगा? अवेक. ठीक है, अवेक या फिर बेक, वॉट एवर यू कैन राइट. Lunch, bunch. So in this you have to write the rhyming word. Okay, do it yourself. Now 7th one is fill in the blanks with was or were. Okay, so you have to fill these with the help of was or were. You know ना where we use was and where we use were. was का यूज़ कहाँ करते हैं? when we are talking about one. जब हम एक की बात कर रहे होते हैं then we use was. And whenever we talk about many, so there we use were. Okay, so here in the 7th one, A part, you can see the market dash close. So only one market has been told ना, markets तो नहीं बोला है. So what will come? The market was closed. Okay. Now B1 is the children. Children itself is a plural noun है. बहुत सारे लोगों को बोला गया है, बहुत सारे बच्चे. सो द चिल्ड्रंस वर हैप्पी. ओके. नाउ C1 इज द काउस डैश ग्रेजिंग इन द फील्ड. काउस, बहुत सारी काउ के लिए बोला गया है. काउस है, ऐसे. सो हेयर अगेन इट विल कम वर. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? वर. द काउस वर ग्रेजिंग इन द field. So my dear students, I hope you have understood all the questions well. So please try to do it yourself. Okay, thank you. My dear students, now it's my request that whatever exercise I have explained you right now, so you have to listen and understand this exercise very nicely, and similarly same exercise I am giving you in the PDF work already, PDF work. So you have to write this PDF work in your English literature notebook as an worksheet, practice worksheet. Okay, so please do it very carefully and practice well for your examination. Thank you and have a blessed day ahead.